Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the simple yet rewarding process of growing your own herbs at home. Whether you have a green thumb or are a complete beginner, cultivating fresh herbs can be an easy and delightful journey. Let's dive in. First, choose the herbs you'd like to grow. Consider classics like basil, mint, or rosemary, which are perfect for a variety of dishes. Think about the space you have available. Windowsills, balconies, or even small kitchen counters can be ideal locations. Start by selecting the right containers. Pots with drainage holes are crucial to prevent waterlogged roots. You can use traditional terracotta pots or repurpose containers from around your home. Just ensure they're clean and have drainage. Next, pick your soil. Herbs thrive in well-draining soil. You can purchase potting mix specifically designed for herbs or create your own blend with equal parts of sand, peat, and garden soil. Remember, healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving herb garden. Now let's talk about planting. Sow your seeds according to the instructions on the packet, usually just beneath the soil surface. If you're using seedlings, gently remove them from their nursery pot, being careful with the roots, and place them into your prepared containers. Watering is crucial. Herbs generally prefer to be kept moist, but not soggy. Check the soil with your finger. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Be mindful of overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Position your herbs where they can receive ample light. Most herbs need around 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. If natural light is insufficient, consider using grow lights to supplement their needs. Don't forget about the importance of regular harvesting. This not only encourages new growth, but also provides you with a steady supply of fresh herbs. Pinch off the leaves as needed, starting with the older leaves first. But also provides you with a steady supply of fresh herbs. Pinch off the leaves as needed, starting with the older leaves first. Finally, keep pests at bay. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of insects or disease. Use natural remedies, like neem oil or a simple dish soap solution, to manage any issues without harming your plants or the environment. That's it. With just a bit of care and attention, you'll enjoy a bountiful supply of fresh herbs right from your home. Happy gardening, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. The facts on board. Subscribe and share your tips about home gardening in the comments section. What do you do to increase the longevity of the plants?